First, we made a box with a size of 6 centimeters times 9 centimeters. Then, inside this box, we connected 3.7-volt lithium batteries in parallel so that the capacity increases and provides longer backup. Now, we are using an IP5306 power bank module. We soldered a USB female port to this module according to the circuit diagram. Then, the positive terminal of the battery is connected to the positive terminal of the module, and the negative terminal is connected to the negative terminal of the module. While soldering, be careful to avoid any short circuits. Next, we will use a voltmeter to monitor the battery voltage easily. We also added a switch to turn the voltmeter on and off. As shown in the video, follow the same steps to solder the voltmeter and switch properly. The main reason for using the switch is to reduce unnecessary power loss and increase battery backup. At this stage, we will make holes in the box according to the positions of the USB port, switch, and charging port. Then we will carefully install all the ports. Place the voltmeter in its position and fix it securely using glue. Once everything is set up, you can see how handy and portable the power bank has become. It is easy to carry anywhere and very useful for daily use. The IP5306 module used in this project can provide up to 2 amps output, which means it can charge your mobile phone at around 10 watts. That's all for today's project. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you again with more exciting electronics projects. Thank you.